Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find drops on Instagram. If you like preparing your Insta posts or stories ahead of time, preparing posts in advance is a way of efficiently using any spare time. A common question around this video is where to find your Instagram drops on Android. It's all very well preparing them in advance, but what's the point if you can't find them to post them? Saving as a draft is a very useful if you don't want to spend money on social media marketing platform. You can prepare some posts in advance and post them whenever you're ready. If you're new to using drafts, you may initially find it challenging to find the images you save for later use. It's logical once you know how, but it isn't the most intuitive system in the world. To find your Instagram drafts, do this on the video. Open Instagram and select the plus icon to add a post. Tap on post. You should now see drafts in the menu and tap on it. Select the draft you created and select next. Complete your post in the usual way and select share when ready. To the viewer, the post looks the same as a standard post. In fact, according to Instagram, it is a regular post, just one you prepared earlier. It's a very straightforward setup once you know where to look. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.